City Fire Marshal ng Santa Rosa, Chief Inspector Sal De Castro, and another good looking Municipal Fire Marshal of Cabuyao, Chief Inspector Edwin Mara. Sa mga game officials, umpires, sa ating mga participants from the Industrial Fire Brigade category, Barangay Volunteer Fire Brigade category and Uniform category ng Bureau of Fire Protection, at sa ating pang mga ibang guests, participants, spectators, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Alam kong init na kayo, kaya maiksi lang po ito. Ang bibigyan ko lang ng pansin natin yung ating team for this year's Fire Prevention Month. Ano ba yung team natin for this year's Fire Prevention Month? Fire safety, a challenge, concerns, and priority for everybody. So number one, bakit po challenge? Because as firefighters and members of a community, we must always be well prepared, mentally and physically, as we are expected to encourage the people of our communities in promoting fire safety. So bakit po naman concern? Because none of us would want that our loved ones be lost because we didn't care enough to give time in understanding and promoting fire safety. At bakit po priority? Because the safety of precious human lives, the development of every community, and the progress of business and industries depend in giving importance to fire safety. So as we gather today for the third encounter of the Laguna BNP Provincial Fire Olympics, may we all be inspired by a far better reason of coming here today than just winning an award and a trophy. At the end of the day, ang importante po ay ma-inspire tayo in promoting fire safety to our communities. So lastly, though we all came here as competitors, let us later on depart this place as good friends, better individuals, better firefighters, and better fire safety advocates and practitioners. So